JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open savings account on BPI online. So to do this is pretty simple. So here you'll have your BPI application, or you can just go to their website. So from there, you will see here, you will have your login, and then you will go to more services. So you can get a BPI product right now. So our goal is to open a deposit account savings. So here I already have one, so it's going to say open another account. But if you don't have one, it's going to say open an account. So here, of course, we're going to have to open it right here. So we're going to open it right here, and here you can see that you need an extra savings account for your goals. So let's start. So this is the same process as when you're opening a new one. So here, let's just wait for it to load, of course, and you're going to have to provide them with your IDs and many much more. So first you will have to use your base currency, and then here you will have to select with regular savings or saver plus debit card. So here there's going to be a minimum balance requirement for both actually. So here just use this. It depends on you. So just select a city or town. So let's just use a random one. So just use next, and then from there, here you will have your currency, product, and pickup point and the branch. So you will agree and you will confirm. So from there, it's just that simple. You will have to have your IDs, of course, that states that it's you. And from further on from there, you will have your credit card or debit card, I mean, in a few days. So there you go, guys. That is how you open your BPI online banking registration. So this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.